Hey everyone, and welcome to Butchie. I didn't realize we were rolling. Here we are. We're talking about Uber today, folks. More specifically, we're talking about the car insurance requirements if you drive for Uber or Lyft. This is another one of our videos in our continuing series. We're going to get into all that. Make sure before we get too far ahead, you hit that subscribe button because we've got other videos that are coming out, and we just put one out on Get to Know Your Taxes, folks. If you drive for Uber or Lyft. And when you guys know that when we say drive, we're talking deliveries, Uber Eats, Uber deliveries, Lyft, Grubhub, Instacart. Because the bottom line is we're 1099, right? But I don't want to rehash all that. That's the other video we just put out. Today we want to talk about your car insurance. So if you're actually driving, do you require any special insurance? Are you covered should you get into some sort of an accident? So we're going to try to cover some of those things. The first thing is you need to know is that not all automobile policies are cool with you getting into an accident while doing Uber. While some, I guess many, will cover you if you do get into an accident with them. You can know that a cancellation notice is coming right behind it, and you won't have that insurance company anymore. When you get canceled with insurance, it's always harder to get another policy. With that said, there's both Uber and Lyft do provide some basic coverage for you while you have somebody in the car. I'm not an insurance agent or anything along them lines. I'm just giving you some information here regarding insurance. If you're new to Uber, you want to know and be informed. And this is part of it, is knowing what happens if you get into an accident. So if you get into an accident and you have the app on and nobody in the car, then I think your regular insurance will cover you. If you have the app on and you have a passenger in the car, the Uber or Lyft policy that they give you automatically for every passenger that you pick up kicks in, and then whatever's left over that doesn't cover by that policy, your car insurance will pick it up. I think that's the way it works. As always, you ought to check with your insurance agent. Now, I personally use ALLSTATE insurance for the mere simple fact is that it's like for $20 extra for every 6 months, I don't have to duck and hide for my rideshare or with the insurance company. They know I'm doing Uber and Lyft. They give me a rider that covers me, and I know I was with GEICO before, and when I found out from GEICO that one, they didn't carry a rideshare policy or a rideshare rider for my automobile policy. My agent says, "You're not driving for them, are you?" And it was, no. Why? Well, because if you are, we're going to cancel you. Good to know. So this car here that we're riding in now, I got a policy off through ALLSTATE. I did some searching. I didn't even know that it existed until I ran into an insurance broker. I was standing in line to grab a hamburger, and she tried to hand me a card. I took the card and misplaced the card, otherwise I would have called her. But ALLSTATE, I did some research. ALLSTATE has a policy, so you can check them out. But for the extra $20 every 6 months, it's worth the knowledge of knowing that, hey, I don't think my car insurance is going to drop me if I get in an accident. In fact, they give you extra coverage as well. And they increase your bodily injury and all that other stuff, so you get better protected. So yeah, certainly I think your car insurance is going to cover you, but if in most cases, check with your agent though, your local law, and be alert. To be aware is to be alive, and that'll keep your car insurance rates down too, is to be aware. The other thing I would recommend is, now this we are an affiliate with, but that's not why I'm telling you to do it, is a dash cam. And not just any kind of dash cam. You want something that's going to cover a good area of view at your front window and out your back window. So yes, a 2-channel at minimum dash cam. Most of today's dash cams will pick up the interior conversations, so I don't know if there's really a need to have the interior recordings done, video recordings of your passengers. I'm comfortable personally with just the audio at this point. I know that the road is covered front and back, and nobody's going to say that I caused an accident. So for your insurance purposes and for your security, I would certainly recommend having a dash cam, because if you get in an accident, and if it's not your fault, which hopefully it's not going to be, so your engine's automatically their fault, whatever the case may be, you've got proof through a dash cam, and they've really come down in price. Check out our description here. I'll put a link to the ones that we have done a review on. And if you order through Black Box My Car, if you order through my affiliate link, you get a 5% discount. So try to click on that, and that'll get you a little better of a deal on the camera of your choice through their website. With that said, drive safe, drive happy, and thank you for watching. We really do appreciate it. I'm going to keep my eyes back on the road and off of the camera. And until the next time, take care.